Hello viewers, today I have brought for you a Franzis Arduino tutorial kit. It has original Arduino Uno SMD module in it and other components. Let's see and open this. This is Arduino Uno revision 3 SMD module. This is 2 relay module. This is also 2 relay module. And it has driver on board. This is Arduino Uno revision 3 dip package at Mega 328 installed, and this is breadboard, and this is a smaller breadboard. The Arduino Uno has 14 digital pins, 6 analog inputs and 6 PWM pulse width modulation outputs. There is another view. The pins have been marked on headers on original Arduino Uno. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe my channel.